Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a video-creatox review. This is a ClickBank product. Stick around because I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised by this, by how little it costs and the quality of the training that you're going to get. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews like this to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is a video-creatox review. This is kind of hidden inside of ClickBank, and I just kind of happened upon it, but it looked like it came out this year in 2019, so it's going to be up to date as far as the information, and I did go through the course just to make sure it was good. What is video-creatox? Again, it's a ClickBank product teaching you how to build a profitable YouTube channel from scratch using other people's videos to upload, rank, and earn from. The creator, we don't know. It looked like it was a spokesperson in the sales video, but part of the course was taught by Marc Christiansen. I found him on Facebook. It looks like he is a very knowledgeable internet marketer. And some of the other videos, the person doesn't say their name, so I'm not sure who that person is. I think they might have pieced some things together. But nonetheless, it is good. Let me show you. The cost is $1 for a trial of 7 days, and then it's $27 a month, and there's no upsells. So let's take a look at what is inside of video-creatox. This is a members area. First thing, you're going to just basically an overview on YouTube and some general principles, how to be successful, strategies to create a branded YouTube channel, 4 ways to create a popular YouTube channel for your business, tactics to get more subscribers on YouTube, 5 things you need to know before starting a YouTube channel for business, secrets for growing your YouTube channel, tips to help you grow your brand's YouTube channel, improve your YouTube search rankings with these 5 tips, the do's and don'ts of starting a YouTube channel for your brand, and then the top ways to get more traffic to your YouTube channel. And then there's a 5-minute guide to successful YouTube channel that you can download, and that's really good. And I agree with all these things that they're saying in here. It is very basic, but if you're brand new, you really need to know these basics to have success on YouTube. So that's the first part. And then this is the part that Marc Christiansen taught. I'm telling you, this is really good information. Like, if you want to know how to do, like, make money from product reviews, that's what this is about. This is about how to make money from gadgets, doing gadget reviews. And then he talks a lot about CPA offers, like some networks that you probably don't even know about. And he mentioned one of them that he said his buddy is making good money with it because not a lot of people know about it. And his criteria for his videos is that he wants to make $1 per day per video, and he makes a full-time income. He does very, very well with it, so he definitely knows what he's talking about. Then he talks about how to do video creation voiceover so you don't have to be the one talking. He gave an example of a CPA offer, and he showed exactly how to do the video, how to do the slides and everything. And then again, you can outsource it if you'd like. Okay, so he talked about this product for women, and a lot of these CPA offers they offer a free product. So then at the end of your video, you just, you're given an honest review, and he shows you exactly how to do that. Then you have a call to action if you want to get 2 months free supply of this product. Click on the first link in the description below the video, and that's how you get paid through CPA offers. And then he has this whole section on how to outsource and adding a call to action, using Fiverr to get the job done. And he said there's a secret in here that is really going to help you outsource. And then also some mistakes to avoid when promoting your video. Just one of the things that he said I thought was interesting. I can't remember the product that he was promoting, but he said he forgot to, when he was saving his video, to name the video file his keyword. And so he didn't rank real high for that particular video, but he was like, maybe even on the second page of YouTube, but he was making like $80 to $100 a month just from that video. So, you cannot be on the first page and still make money. And so he's showing exactly his strategies on how to do product reviews. It could be a physical product. That's what he's talking about, mainly physical products, and then CPA offers. So I thought that was excellent. And then you're going to choose from millions of videos. Of course, that's going to be Creative Commons, and those are videos that other people have made that you can use as your own. And they show you how to upload it, how to use the keyword tool to be able to figure out what kind of keywords you need to use, and earn from video ads. And then show you how to use Pixabay, Cover, Pexels, VidEasy. So those are just some tools that you can use as well. They go through all of that. And then this is how to rank your videos. So obviously you're going to make videos, but then you want people to see these videos. First one is just going to be an intro, how to rank your videos, how to look at your competition. They show you exactly how to find keywords and how to put your keywords in the title and description. File SEO talks about your thumbnail and how important that is, the link of your videos, and then a secret tip on how to rank your videos. And then there's a whole section on step-by-step video marketing. So there are, and this is show you exactly, if you're brand new, it doesn't matter. This is going to show you exactly how to do video marketing. There are, I think there were 14 videos in here. Right, there's 14 videos. And at the bottom here, there's other things. Video marketing training guide, that's a PDF, top video marketing resources, and then he even has YouTube ad bonus. So it's going to show you paid YouTube ads step by step. It's just a PDF, but it looked like it was very comprehensive and very easy to follow. So that is huge because a lot of people, they start out with the organic free traffic and then they want to go to paid ads. And I know that's when a lot of people's channels just really grow. So that was excellent. And then as far as support, there was just, there's no Facebook group, but for the product support, there's just to contact the vendors is right there. But they do have a support email. And like I said, I went through this and I think it is excellent. And I do a lot of product reviews on ClickBank products, and there's not a lot that I do recommend, but I do recommend this. And for the price, I mean, you just can't beat it because you could just learn like one thing in here that's going to make you tons of money. I mean, I already got like so many ideas on this right here, make money from YouTube, 7 step-by-step videos, that this is just going to really benefit me. So I would say the pros of video-creatox are that, of course, it's low price, 60-day money-back guarantee. So that's really good. It's great for people with no experience because anybody can do this. You can make good money with it, and I think eventually a full-time income. In fact, Marc Christiansen said a lot of people that started out with him and are doing these methods were able to leave their jobs. So very possible. Free marketing. I mean, you can't get better than that because you could use Screencast-O-Matic, and that could be free video screen capture, and then YouTube is free, and you can learn how to rank your videos. I mean, I've made some really good money with review videos, and he's talking about a different type of review video, but you can make money from these physical products as well. The cons, I couldn't find any, except for maybe that there's no Facebook group for support. And sometimes, that's how you can really learn is from other people asking questions. You ask questions in there, but they do have a support there, and I hadn't tried it out, of course, but they do have support, but that's the only thing that I would say that I would like to see with it. But again, for the price, $1 for 7 days, and then $27 a month after that, I think that's really good. So I would say I would recommend this product. And like I said, I don't recommend too many ClickBank products, but if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. And stay tuned tomorrow, because I'm going to give you a resource that you can use to outsource all of your reviews if you want to, for just $5. I found out about this recently, so I want to share it with you guys, but I'll share that with you tomorrow. So I hope you guys found some value in this video Creatox review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you have any questions, leave them below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And then if you want to go ahead and get your $1 trial for 7 days, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. With that being said, this is Caramel signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.